You had BlackRock launch an ETF and shill literally everyone. They were literally saying sell gold and buy Bitcoin. You had all of these ETFs. You had President Trump launch a meme coin, which got even more retail into the crypto market. You've got Trump saying buy, holding Bitcoin meetings. He spoke at the BTC conference, right? It's been the easiest cycle that you've ever been blessed with. And you haven't seen what you can go through in a bear market. If it's your first cycle, we didn't even see a 40% correction, right? 40% corrections are normal in crypto, and we literally had a 30% correction recently, and a lot of people again lost their minds and started to get scared and say it's over. It's been incredibly an easy ride. What the dangerous thing now is, people have not seen a 40% correction. So what happens when we go into a 40% correction, guys? People are going to absolutely cack themselves. And I think, especially a lot of the new investors who came in through the ETFs, they're not used to it. They're not used to how it feels. And, to watch their portfolio go down 30-40% in a couple of weeks, I don't know if they're going to capitulate. And I think a lot of them are going to capitulate, because we know there was a lot of ETF selling, actually, even at 100k. People who bought at 100k were selling at 90k. So imagine those people who were buying at 100k because Trump and BlackRock told you to, and then the price comes down 40%, and all of a sudden you're now down 40k or 400k, however much you put in. So we're still yet to go through this phase, and we're still yet to see how it goes. Now, I do think the pension funds and the institutions are just going to buy all the way down. Okay, they're not going to start buying at 90k and 100k without a long-term strategy to accumulate on the way down. I do think that they are probably only put in very small percentages. They're not like Michael Saylor and just absolutely going bonkers near the top. I think that they are smart people. They have smart investment fund managers who will be advising them, hey, save the dry powder for the red days, and take profits. Well, not take profits, but just accumulate on the red days. There's a lot of talk about the M2 money supply. Okay, I get it. BTC has followed the M2 money supply almost to the T. It's almost scary how well it follows. But there is two types of M2 money supply floating around, okay?